Sir, para sa mic ko.
Nagpasa ba?
Ay, may nag-assist? Wala. Parang wala, no?
Si ano yata pre, si 69.
69 daw. Assist.
Wala sa mic.
Ay, isa lang. Isa lang. Ano, nilipid yun na?
Hindi, nag-deliver yan.
Ayan.
Kaya yung nakapasok. Oo. Tanong ko.
May na lang.
Hindi, kakabit yan kasi namamatay. Sige, kakabit ko. Kaya kami nang hirap, namamatay kasi.
Ano naman ha?
Sige, tanggalin mo muna yung ano.
Ano ng charger, kuya?
Oo, sige, sige. May battery pa to. Okay na, sir. Pero doon sa side na yun, maraming saksakan. Oo.
Tuesday.
Tour. 2 points.
Assist na malabanan.
Assist, malabanan. Rebound ni Momoy.
Oh yeah. I it's hard. See you guys.
3 points. Still early. Rebound. Si rebound. Big man na contour. Fourth man, 2 points.
Call number 12.
87,
8-7, sir, tama.
Labang 8, pre. Labang 8.
Malamang. Wala tayong drinks.
Mabili tayo mamaya.
Lamang ang team daw.
Ito lang naman yung natapit lang yung team.
Number 25. To number 7. Easy basket to number 12.
Tama, sub.
5 minutes. Number 25. To number 7. Rebound by 2. Passing ball. Oh, sorry. White ball. Number 7. Number 22. Tabu!
3 points.
Lapit.
May nag-assist na siya.
Lapit daw.
Sir Arlie.
Balik coach. Number 8. 69. Number 3. Foul number 25. From Luke. Rebound. By number 13.
Oh, announcer ka na ngayon?
Okay. 12 in favor of TSU. The people. A high, this time A high, number 25. Birthday boy. No good, moved by Zero. Security.
Block early. Rebound, Yumil. Rebound, 23 ng PFV.
Oh, white ball. Number 7. Go fast to get the ball. Ball number 21. Basket shoot. Number 3. Good basket. The score is 50-10 in favor of TNT Auto. Number 69 to number 8. Number 8 again, taking jumper. No good. Number 7. Behind the back pass to number 23. Number 25. Easy basket. The rock side. Number 25, the rock side. 69. For 3.
3 points Yumil.
Blackmore. 17-30.
Rebound ng 23.
Shot ball by the rock side. No good.
Rebound. Still 20.
Intercept by number 23. Victor ball. No good. Rebound by the rock side. Oh. Birthday! Happy birthday! Papa Winnie. Huwag niyong gugulong sa buhok. Another shot. Another game.
Still 23. Still na 23.
Oh, happy birthday.
Hindi rin.
Mr. Laurente to number 45. Number 24. Yang Kalishat, no good. Papa Bibo.
Out of bounds. White ball. Clark.
Mr. MVP. Aba Albert. Pass break to number 12. Easy jump shot. No good. White ball.
Pinaka-steal set.
Easy layup.
Sino naka-steal? Sino nakita mo sino naka-steal? Ay, hindi.
Number 24. To Mr. MVP. To Mr. Gregorio. Hindi nakita. Rebound by number 14. Another, block, 23. Good ball. Number 23. Traveling. Hindi daw sinasadya. Papa Eric A. Hyde. Sorry. Mr. Nakano. Papa Hyde. No good. Rebound by Papa Eric. Alabama. Auburn, basic. Basic lang, basic. Good pass. Score is very big actually. Out of bounds. Number 12, Bata. Ball number 12.
Game foul.
First. Ilang team fouls na kuya? Isa pa lang? Isa pa lang dito? Ah, dito isa pa lang.
No
good.
Hiwalay daw, hiwalay. Banda. No good. Behind the back. Traveling. Sap tayo, sap. Traveling. Birthday ball. Pass to MVP. Reverse layup.
7-19.
27-19.
Westo. Sawa ko yan!
Rebound by number 25. The Rockstar. Overpass.
3-pointer. Assist. Rebound number 3.
Binigyan ng perdido. Rebound by number 14. Number 69. Hey, Gared. Albert.
Black Arlie.
Go black by number 7. Number 8. Rebound by number 40. Number 7. Traveling. Good goal, Red. Good goal. No good. Rebound by Paparuti, number 17. Rebound by number 45. Easily.
20 seconds.
Score is 20-22.
No basket. Rebound sa Erwin. Maganda lang dito sir, exclusive.
Penetrate by number 12.
Diba? Yung karamihan kasi ngayon, shared yung yung court eh.
Hindi naman sa exclusive.
Yan, tonight na siya, ha? Okay. Di ba? Hindi invento, ha?
Black ball. Twenty-one two. Papa Albert. To Papa Gilbert. Papa Erwin. Good pass.
Sayang.
Rebound by Papa Gilbert.
Ganda sana.
Penetrate. Number 25. Papa Rookie. Birthday ball.
Sis Momoy.
36-22.
Hindi ko, sir. Ako kaya ko. Yung lahat. Ako pa nag-referee, gagano. Talaga gagano.
Two shots.
Hindi, kaya sisipirin yung maaga.
Papa boy. Basketball.
37.
Habol ko yung kay Lawin eh. Dadalhin ko, Romel. Kay Lawin na request.
Super 2. That's broken.
Travel.
Ayun yung
Easy basket.
next player's ready.
38-24.
Next player is ready. Next player.
Foul number 13.
Left side, side.
Basel.
Sub tayo, sub. Mandatory sub. 5 minutes.
Sub.
Change player.
5 minutes, 5 minutes.
Nadayat daw. Diba? Nadayat. Baka yung katulad ni Stan, ay, kasalo kayo eh.
Ilang team po sila?
2 team fouls ang Contour. TMV wala.
Rebound by number 14.
First team foul.
Ball number 17.
First personal.
First year.
First personal po.
Sinabi ka na.
No good.
Ay nga ka na. Wala namang bearing sa inyo.
Isa lang. 25-40.
Score is 25 points.
Sige lang.
Salamat sir.
No good. Rebound by number 39. In and out. Rebound by number 12.
Salamat sa kape sir Randy.
Sarado pala yung dyan.
No good.
Nire-renovate.
Across dyan.
Oo.
Basket by number 8.
2 points.
Score is 14-27.
Baka next week open na ulit yan.
Hindi, matatagalan.
Matatagalan.
Di ba?
Oo.
Yung Team Mortos dito.
Sarado daw, sir. Renovation.
Doon sa may Canada Test.
Assist Arlie.
Good assist by number 7. Lumalayo na po. Easy lang. 13, 26 yun, kuya. 42.
Bigyan mo lang kami siya.
Bro, kape.
Ay, isa ako na nakadalawa na ako.
Pangatlo na yan.
Pangatlo na yan. Pangatlo na.
Tulog. Masarap tulog.
Masarap tulog mo niyan.
Birthday boy!
Best player yan po. Si Birthday Boy. Birthday Boy, oh. Dami ng puntos eh.
44-20.
Inahanap ko yung telepono ko, nandito pala.
Hindi mo nadala.
Boarding!
Boardman.
Papa boarding.
Ako na.
Hindi lang.
31. Si Mr. Boardman. Husay sa boarding. Kahit baseline, nabe-boarding niya eh, no? Kahit baseline, kaya niya i-boarding.
Kaya ka masyado na sa ano.
Kaya lang naglaro siya, walang buwit yung board, hindi makashoot eh.
Ball. 25.
Foul 25.
Last 1 minute.
Third team
1
foul.
minute.
Tama ba? Hindi. Second pala. Second.
Good fake. Good shot. High number 69.
Onse na lang. 4-4, 3-3.
Hop! Assist Arlie. Third team foul.
Second person.
Hindi naman sadya. Rebound. Good
Block.
luck.
Block ni San, ni 40. Sancho yan, Sancho.
Number 69.
Number 8.
Sir, para bigyan mo naman.
69. Malabana. Haba, no good. Rebound by number 25. Pass to the birthday ball. Pass to Mr. Moreno. Ferrari. Jumper. Howard. Banda boy.
Banda boy.
Boy Banda.
Remind kay Sir Alert ka.
46-35. Labing isa.
Ay, yung pera. Sige, sir.
Birthday boy. No good. Rebound by birthday boy. The Rockstar. Good assist to birthday boy.
Best player to.
Maganda ang assist ni birthday boy. 69. Out of balance. Number 7.
Steal 23.
Next game.
Hindi pa naman okay pa ako.
Sab.
Sub. Number 3 out, 48. To number 31. Give up by number 40. No good. Walang hawi. Isang siya. Ganda na. Oy. Seven minutes. Wakali shot. Wakali shot. Birthday boy. Abu Albert. Good enough.
Black early.
No good. Ball number 23. Two shot.
No good.
May asukal doon tsaka creamer.
Hindi sir, okay lang. Talagang ano lang.
One more line violation.
Salamat sir. Lane violation. Rebound ni Sancho. Rebound ulit ni Sancho.
Rebound by number 14.
Sir, tama sir.
Score is 52-39. Oh, what a pass. Boy Banta. Ingrid.
Tama ko na lang.
Boy Banta. Basket goal.
5 minutes. Last 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Timeout. Black.
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 Eh, kape oh.
Ayha.
May coach yung isa.
Okay, coach yung isa. Ingat tayo, pag natalsik ka ng bola to, yari ito.
Sige, nilapit ka sa akin. Ano mo na ito para tapong ko na
Kahit
to.
wala, Sir Renard, ha?
Ano yan?
Kahit daw ni Sir Years.
Nakalimutan ko na to.
Kaya nga sabi ko, akin na lang.
Oo nga, discount na lang, discount. Nakalimutan ko na. Ito, may pangalan.
Okay, okay. Sub.
Ref substitution.
Number 12 out, number 3. Score is 54-41. Oh, sorry, miss. You gone again. No foul. Oh, sorry, once again. Third try. Basket is good. 54-43. Tatlong minuto na lang po. Ang nalalabing na Rockstar. Number 7. The all call number 14.
That's good.
Mr. RJ Bautista.
Kalugar. Komunista.
Serious ka ba?
Warning, number 25.
Surrounding 2 minutes.
56-42.
Charlie.
Ganda naman. Score. Score natin, 58-40. Good pass. Good shot by number 14. Number 7. Two minutes. 69. Rebound by number 69. No good. Birthday boy! Bumayaman! Best player si birthday boy. Isa pa birthday boy. Birthday boy. Ang buhok ng pinagugulo. Casey Leon.